Hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. Our family renovates houses, and today we're making a real mess. This is a house that we renovated 10 years ago. The chimney is pulling away from the house, which is a real problem. It's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So anyway, what we need to do, we're dismantling it basically brick by brick. We're going to make another video to show how we're doing it. We'll put a link to that video right there. But what we wanted to show you today was a very cool way to get rid of all of your construction debris. And it's with this guy right here. And this is the Bagster. And just like it says here, you just buy it at a hardware store like Lowe's. You fill it up with your construction debris, and then you call them and they bring their truck and they haul it away. It's very cool. We've used them on other jobs that we've done, and we're very pleased with the way the whole thing works. It's awesome. So a couple of things to keep in mind. Even though we're working on this chimney here, and it would be great to set the Bagster up right there, they want the Bagster to be somewhere to where their truck can easily pick it up. So unfortunately for us, we're gonna have to set our Bagster up all the way down there at the end of the driveway, and we're gonna be lugging all of the debris from this chimney down the driveway. The reason you would do it is it's so much less expensive than renting a giant dumpster. And it's not as unsightly as a giant dumpster. We had dumpsters, oh my gosh, we had like at least 4 of the biggest dumpsters parked in this driveway while we were renovating this house, and it really is unsightly. For a smaller construction job like exactly what we're doing, the Bagster is absolutely perfect. Once you unfold the Bagster, you basically get inside of it, and then you fold the sides down about halfway, and then it'll make the sides rigid. And now you're ready to start filling it up. All right, we got our Bagster all set up. Let's move some debris. All right, so the dimensions of the Bagster, it's 4 feet wide, 8 feet long, and 2.5 feet tall. And it'll hold a capacity of 3,300 pounds. As you can see, you can fit quite a bit in there. So basically, you just fill it up to the top of the sides, but you don't want to go over because everything will fall out. And they're saying that these yellow straps have to be able to connect on the top. So those are pretty much the rules with it. As you can see, the Bagster is a great solution for getting rid of waste on a small construction job. And our job is just about finished now. So hopefully you got something out of this video. If you did, if you could hit the thumbs up, that really helps out our channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.